All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel Merely on Time Watch Reviews. I am Chris and I unbox and review budget watches. And today I am wearing on my wrist one of my favorite Invicta watches again. This is the Invicta Pro Diver Submariner homage, Coke bezel. Absolutely love this watch. Today, what we are doing is we are looking at another Pagani Design watch. Now, this isn't live, but I am live to tape, if you will. So I'm doing this all in one take and showing you another really fantastic Pagani Design watch, as you saw at the intro of the video there. And so this is just revealing the watch that I received. I have to get out a video in a certain amount of time after receiving a watch that I got from the influencer program. So by the way, you saw the includes paid promotion at the top. That's because this watch was given to me essentially for free with credit money that I used to purchase the watch. You know I'm a huge fanboy of Pagani Design if you've watched this channel, and this is one of the very first Pagani Designs that I ever got. It's the same homage, I would say. Bit of a different take on it. It's a Tag Heuer Octavia homage. I originally had the blue, just plain Octavia homage of Pagani Designs before, gave it to my buddy Timmy. This one is the Octavia GMT homage, and it's a 2025. And so I'm going to be obviously interested to see if Pagani Design has improved on some things, particularly their loom. Link in the description below. I think this is on for a pretty decent deal. Also, extra discount codes for even more savings for you. Thank you so much for using my affiliate links. It really helps to support the channel. So with that, let me show you what we've got with this new Pagani Design. And so here it is, no surprise with regards to the packaging for the Pagani Design watch. I will take you to the website right now so that you can see just what you are dealing with. It is right now at a price of just under $120. You can, if you want, get it in a newer gift box, but I would just stick with the older gift box. That would certainly be the way to go. It saves you a little bit of money, and the box isn't really that great in the first place. This is a standard Pagani Design box. This is the PD 1784, as you saw, GMT watch, and you open the box, you get a polishing cloth. This one also has a hang tag on it, Pagani Design name and brand on it. You do get also a push pin removal tool, and I have to say this is very cheap and virtually useless. And you also get an additional strap. Now, I'll be commenting on this additional strap when I do the full review. And if you have a keen eye, I think you can see why they probably should have chose a different strap to send with this watch, okay? Let's take the watch out of the box. I did remove 2 links, I believe, to size it to my 7.5-inch wrist. You get an unsigned warranty card as well as an instruction book in the box as well. And here is the watch. I love this blue. It looks fantastic, and especially with the orange seconds hand or GMT hand there, and orange GMT printed on the dial. We'll get up close and personal for the review. I'm just going to show you around the watch for this particular video. This is actually, believe it or not, a 5-link bracelet. So the little links that you see right next to the first outer link there is also a separate link. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5-link bracelet on this one. Just a pretty standard clasp with a fold-over lock, dual deployant. It is a milled clasp. You can see that it is housing the Seiko NH34 movement in a display case back there. I believe the water resistance on this watch is 200 meters. I will double check on that. Certainly it's at least 100 meters. You do have a screw down crown as well. Ceramic bezel insert, 120 click unidirectional bezel for the GMT So it has the 24-hour markings around that bezel. I'll have you listen to the bezel now. With Pagani Design, I've always said that it's hit and miss with bezels, and the bezel action on this one is actually quite good. However, I have noticed that there is a slight misalignment of the bezel, and that is typical with Pagani Design. This one is forgivable. It really isn't that noticeable. And so, yeah, there you have it. So let me just take you around the watch again one more time here. Again, affiliate link for this watch is in the description below. The bracelet is solid. It's a little light, a little clinky. You saw in my last video, it's not as solid as the Chronos watch that I just reviewed, but it's decent enough for the price. Just push pins to remove it. Again, you're going to want your own push pin removal tool because the one they supplied isn't that great. So let's get Super Cali and let's measure it out. Say hi, Super Cali. Whoa! Right there! Oh, I don't know why I amuse myself every single time with that, but I do. You are looking at a case size. Sorry about the glare of the light there. 40 millimeters. Thickness is 14 millimeters. You do have 20 millimeter lugs on this one, and let's see if there's any kind of a taper on this bracelet. So 20 down to 18, back up to 20 at the clasp, and the lug to lug length on this one, and it's a true lug to lug length, is going to be, let me just hold that there, and here we go, about 46 millimeters. And so, yeah, definitely well proportioned, and gonna fit, you know, pretty well every size wrist out there. Might be a little thick for some people's preference, but yeah, overall it is quite nice. So let me put this one on the wrist for you, and then we will do the full review of this one within a week or two, but stay tuned. So here is what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist. The blue sunburst effect on this dial is really, really nice, and the finishing on the bracelet for the price is definitely quite decent as well. So that's the Pagani Design PD 1784 Tag Heuer Octavia homage. Would love to hear your guys' thoughts about that one down in the comments below. All right, so that's the Octavia. I think it is a pretty decent offering, again, by Pagani Design. I will do the full review of this watch in a couple of weeks' time. Really appreciate your support on this channel. If you haven't done so yet already, I would really appreciate you subscribing. Of course, give me a thumbs up. I'm almost at 6,000 subscribers now, and I would really appreciate it. I think I got maybe less than 10 to go. Help me get over that 6,000 subscriber hump by clicking on that subscribe button now. Really, really, really appreciate it. So guys, remember, whenever you leave your house, you need to have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, like this Pagani Design PD 1784 Tag Heuer Octavia GMT homage. And remember, wherever you're going, you need to get there on time. Thanks again, guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this one. And God bless you. We'll see you in the next video.